Good day! My name is Cassandra Ivalite Bonita, and I want to demonstrate how to lifting, holding, and burping a baby. Before holding the baby, clean our hand with soap and water or alcohol. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on their neck, back, and head, also on their bottom. Left hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your left there. Hand should at your knees face off. Baby feet should be top at your waist. Hip hold. Place your body outward and make her sit on your hip bones, or should wrap your arm around her waist and will be able to rock around. Burping the baby. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand and hold your body against your chest. Your baby's changes should rest on your shoulder. Gently tap or rub the back to help him burp. Face down on your left. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling your baby's chin. Into the palm of your hand, gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby in sitting position. Support the neck and the head. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. This is the procedure how to lifting, holding, and burping a baby. Thank you!